On this episode, I grabbed the wrong forklift. I show you inside a garbage truck. Then I get some work done. Welcome back to Wes's Journey. Here we are on Saturday morning, really early today. We have a leaking trash truck. So there's a hole in it and it's leaking the trash juices on the road, and that's not good. So what we need to do is fix the hole, patch it up. If it's a small hole, we'll patch it up. If it's a big hole, we'll cut it out, put a new plate. So I can't talk much about what we need to do right now because I haven't seen the job as yet. It's one of those. I don't think it's a front loader. Maybe the one next to it, or that one behind there. So stick around, let's find out. There she is, RT4. Let's take a quick peek around, see if it's clean, and then we'll take it inside. I hope it hasn't rained too much in here. Oh, a few flies, but wait a minute. This isn't it, is it? Is this one it? Here I was second guessing myself because they told me it was a small hole, and that's a big one. Oh no. Okay, let's take it inside, talk to the supervisor. The hole they were talking about is where the spray paint white is. Can you see the hole in there? So I'm gonna put a plate just like that one on there, weld it on, and go home, get some rest. Oh, also we have the kill switch to swap out. Hopefully that doesn't give us much pain in the ass, but that's the job for today. Let's get it done. My supervisor said might as well patch that one too. So let's get going. Let's start by cutting off those nasty ears coming off the plate. Don't forget to plug in your grinder. I'm sure as hell is glad you can't smell that. Nine. The wrong forklift. After I figured out the right forklift, I got the one with the F1 engine. If you like my videos and you want to join me on my welding journey, hit that subscribe button. It's gonna be a lot more content on the way. Have you ever seen what's inside a garbage truck? This is inside a trash truck. This is what pushes the trash outside. And the roof, obviously. This is called the blade. And here goes all the trash. Pretty cool. This is something you don't see every day, boys. Alright, let's patch up this hole. We can get this thing done. I was going at a great speed, so it's not even noon yet. So I decided, let's patch up the other hole too. Get it, everything done, nice and strong. Even welded a new bracket for the kill switch. Time to test it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.